Due to COVID pandemic, we are unable to attend the regular classes, and I have made these documents. I hope this will support the student for understanding about the topic mentioned here. Okay, let's move. Okay, let's take a look on the chapter measurement. Actually, measurement is most important topic. It is widely used, and here I am going to study about the different topics that you have to study under the chapter measurement. The first one topic is measurement. We will discuss here about the definition of measurement, basic information of measurement, and the second one topic that you have to study under the measurement is physical quantity. Actually, all the physical quantities are categorized into two groups. They are fundamental quantities and derived quantities. Okay. The third one topics that you have to study under the measurement is unit. Most important topic. It is also unit can be studied under two topics, two subtopics. There, first one is standard system of unit. Actually, all the standard system of unit are categorized into four groups. They are MKS system, CGS system, FPS system, and SI system. Okay. The next one is types of units. Just like physical quantities is categorized into two groups, they are fundamental and derived quantities. Just like that, the units are also can be categorized into two groups. They are fundamental units and derived units. Okay. The units, basically the unit of fundamental quantities are called fundamental units, and the unit of derived quantities are called derived units. The last one topic that we have to study under the measurement, chapter measurement, is most important question, that is division. What is the question here? Why unit of dash is called derived unit? Here maybe why unit of area is called derived unit, why unit of density is called derived unit. We have to calculate, and we have to mention the basic unit, basic fundamental unit that are involved in that derived unit. Okay. Okay, we will discuss all about these topics here. Okay, let's take a look on measurement as well as some other terms that we have to define. To define measurement, we must keep these 3 points in mind. First one is comparison, unknown quantity, and known standard quantity. By combining these 3 points, we can make the definition of measurement. That is, the process of comparison of unknown physical quantity with known standard quantity is called measurement. Okay, we have to measure anything, we have to compare unknown quantity with known standard quantity. Actually, what is unknown quantity? Okay. Let's have a look on more understanding about the measurement. For example, this marker, it is a unknown physical quantity because its length is unknown for us now. If you have to know the length of this marker, we have to compare it with standard quantity. This scale acts as a standard quantity here because the scaling is mentioned here 1 centimeter up to 30 centimeter. By comparing this unknown quantity with this scale, that is standard known quantity, we can know the length of this measurement. Okay, let's take a look. It is 15 centimeter. By comparing this marker with this scale, the length of this marker is known now. It is 15 centimeter. Let's take more look on the measurement. The terms related with measurement is standard quantity, which is also mentioned here. Standard quantity means the fixed quantity. That means the quantity whose value is already fixed, already mentioned, is called standard quantity. I have also shown you the scale. The value of length of the scale is already mentioned here. That is a standard quantity. One more point about the measurement is, what is the actual importance of measurement? Means measurement is important to know the exact value of any physical quantity. if we have to know the exact value of any physical quantity, we need measurement. Suppose to measure any length of any object, to measure mass of any object, we need measurement. Okay. Now let's take a look at physical quantity. Okay. How can we define physical quantity? To define physical quantity, any physical quantity, we must put these 3 points in mind. Okay. The first point is body or substance. Second one, can be measured or expressed in unit, directly or indirectly. Then the definition of physical quantity becomes the body or substance which can be measured or expressed in unit, directly or indirectly. Is the definition of physical quantity. What is the meaning of directly or indirectly here? Directly means if we have to measure the fundamental quantities, we can measure directly, and if you have to know about the derived quantity, we have to measure indirectly by using certain formulas or other things. Okay. Now take a look on the types of physical quantity. Okay. Physical quantities are classified into 2 categories. They are fundamental quantities and derived quantities. Fundamental means basic quantities. Derived means the quantities obtained by combining fundamental are called derived. The basic idea about the fundamental as well as derived quantities. Okay. Then let's compare the fundamental and derived quantities. Fundamental do not depend on other. Fundamental quantity do not depend on other and cannot be resolved. We cannot resolve the fundamental quantity into other simpler quantities. For example, length, mass, time. And if we resolve length, then no new quantity will be appear. Okay? But derived quantities depend on fundamental or power of fundamental quantities. Derived quantity depend on fundamental quantity. That means derived quantities are obtained by combining fundamental quantities or power of fundamental quantities. For example, area, volume, density, etc. are some example of derived quantities. There we will study. We must know about the 7 fundamental quantities, and in grade 9 we have to know about the 13 derived quantities. Okay. Now let's take more comparison about the fundamental as well as derived quantities. Fundamental. Quantities. Okay. Derived quantities. For example, length. Length is a fundamental quantity. That means it is independent on other physical quantity. It's simple length. If we combine mass, time, etc., we cannot obtain length. As well as if we divide length, if we try to divide the length into other simpler quantity, then we cannot divide or we cannot resolve. Okay. Now let's take a look on one of the derived quantity. For example, area. Area is a derived quantity. Why? Area. To measure the area, we must need length and breadth of any object. This breadth means also a length. Okay. For area, we need 2 lengths. Area means twice of length. Length means fundamental quantity. By combining these 2 lengths, it becomes area. It gives area of any object. Okay. That's why it is derived. Area can be resolved. Length into length. Area is made by combining length twice of length. One more example. Density. Density means mass per unit volume. Okay. We can again simplified mass, volume means length into breadth into height. That means all are length. Only terms are different: length, length, and length. By combining mass and tricep length, it gives the idea about the density. Okay, the density can be resolved into mass and tricep length, or mass and length combined to form a density. That's why it is a direct quantity. Okay, this much about the fundamental as well as derived quantity. Okay, thanks for watching the video, and the remaining topic are explained in the second part of the measurement. Okay, thank you very much.